Hi, my name is Lakshmi Kanwar. I've done my graduation in physics, then I did my MBA in marketing, and I've worked with brands like Gitanjali Lifestyle Limited. That's where I came to know that the world is going digital, and so is marketing. So that's when I decided to do digital marketing, and I started searching for courses available. So that's how I came to know about them. So that's how I started searching for digital marketing. I was looking for digital marketing courses and I started searching for it. And that's when I came to know about DMTI. I went through the website. I came to know about faculties and board of advisors, and I was very impressed with the whole list. So I inquired about the courses available, and after knowing about the courses and how deep the curriculum will be, the hands-on training and professionally taught, we will be taught by professionals, industry professionals. So that's when I decided to join DMTI. Learning at DMTI is not just about studies, exams, lectures, attendance and everything, but DMTI is more than that. We have fun parties, we have sports activities, we get to meet industry professionals. So we get to work on a lot of live projects. We do case studies which have been very impactful in their own spheres, in their own agendas. So it's not just the assignments and projects which go into the rags after doing it, but it's more how we get the feedback from the industry experts, as in how our ideas were for a particular project. So it's more than just the studies and everything. So it's all overall grooming of a student or a candidate, so that the candidate is ready to step into the professional world. The best part of being student at DMTI is that we just don't give exams, attend lectures, and not just the attendance. It's much more than that. We attend parties, we get to meet the industry experts, the professionals, the marketing professionals, and we get to know the what's going on in the industry, what is the latest update. So it's not only the studies part, but it's more of the practicality of it. So it's more than just the course. It's your grooming as well as your industry insights, what's going on and what's not, and what's have been done, what is to be done, etc. So before joining DMTI, I've done my MBA in marketing, but after joining DMTI, I got to know more about this subject. It's just not in MBA, what I studied was only the theoretical part. I have worked in the industry, but after joining DMTI, what I learned was something which I didn't know before. So in digital, we have been observing digital around us, but we don't know what is going behind the scene, what is behind the stage, and what is the algorithm which goes behind it. I came to know about all those things after joining DMTI, and it's not just the course or professionalism, it's also your personal grooming. Now we can go out in the industry or agency, we can talk to the industry experts very confidently and fluently.